Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are watching me from. Welcome again to another vlog. If you have just pumped into this video, my name is Lucia. So welcome to this channel, and you are welcome to subscribe. You are welcome to like, you are welcome to share, and also you can comment at the end of this beautiful video. I hope you're fine wherever you're watching me from. Where I am right now, it's 2 p.m. It has been raining from morning till now. It's still drizzling outside, so there is no need of vlogging outside. I'll just work from inside the house. So today I want to put something new in my bedroom, in my Mabati bedroom. As you know, this house is a Mabati house if you're just new here, and we have been transforming it slowly, kidogo kidogo, until we get where we want it to be. And then after that, we will build our mansion. After that, we are going to build our mansion, okay? But as for now, we live where we are comfortable right now. But very soon, don't worry, we are going to do magic after this, okay? So today I want to fix something here that my hubby bought. He ordered it online, and I think it's good I put it with you guys so that you can see how it will look on this our tiny bathroom, okay? I don't know if it will fit, but I'm praying God that it will fit on our tiny Mabati bathroom. This is it guys. This is the thing that I want to install with you guys. It's called a toilet rack. Can you see? It's called a toilet rack. Spray painting the diamond color. Okay, so this is how it looks on this carton. I don't know if it will fit here, but we shall see. So stick here with me as we unbox, and then we fix it and we put it. This video will not be long. It will be a very short video so that you can see how it will be. All right, he ordered it online. I don't know what the website. Maybe I'll ask him, and then we see how it will look on our tiny Mabati bathroom. So let's go to the sitting area, because this place here, it's not that big. And then let's unbox here. Yeah. All right, so I think now you can see well right here. This is the box. So I'm going to remove the sellotape. Open this top cover, and then I remove the it's not that big. Sio kubwa vile. This is how it looks inside. Stand off. Yeah. Just like this. So let's fix it together and see how it is. Yeah. Only 2 stands. It has 2 stands. 2 metallic stands. It has these ones. And also how many shelves does it? Are they shelves? How many? These ones. So let's unbox it. It has 3 shelves, and this sticks here, and this is the screws. So I hope I will manage. Let me see the manual. First of all, I'm going to read the manual. This is the manual, so that I can understand it very well. Yeah. Okay. Step 1, step 2. Yeah, I can see. Okay, so let me start. Let me see how it looks from here. So guys, I'm done, and this is how it looks from this corner. Yeah, it has 3 shafts. Can you see there are 3? And it's very long, very long. So I am done fixing it. It has this one. I think this one is for tissue ama nini. I don't know. So now I'm going to take it inside the bathroom, and then we are going to see how it will look there. Okay. So guys, this is the stand, and this is how I have managed to arrange it. How does it look? Yeah, how does it look, by the way? It looks nice. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's nice, and it has fitted my toiletries well. I don't have many, but I have those. So, and that's how it looks. So beautiful in this tiny Mabati bathroom. That's how it looks. Very demure. Demure. Yeah. So nice. How does it look? Can you comment down below and tell me how it looks? And what can I change? What can I add? What can I remove? Alright? Okay. So that's all. That's all. So now I am done with my bathroom. I think it is fresh now. And look who is here. Look who is here, guys. How are you?
I'm good.
What is that?
This is something. I bought it. There's a friend of mine. And this one. Where is this one supposed to be?
At the back of this thing, nilikuwa nimeiweka but I couldn't fit it like this, so I removed it.
No.
You need to fix it.
No, you can fix it there.
Yes, I will. What are you saying?
Okay. This thing worked. Fresh Breath Oral Care Essence. You just buy one and you get one free.
Okay.
If you're suffering from tonsils,
Tonsillitis.
those tones. Anything.
So what's the purpose of
okay,
that?
this one. This one.
Bad breath, ama?
Ya kutoa bad breath na nini ingine tuseme those tonsils, because there is someone if you normally brush your teeth but whenever you're talking to people bado uko na hiyo bad breath, this one is the cure for it.
Yeah.
It's called Fresh
what?
Fresh Breath Essence.
Fresh breath essence.
Tooth friendly formula, 100% plant oil based, antibacterial effect. It fights all those bacteria in your teeth and in your gums and also in your tonsils. Like kids, normally kids. Many kids, you'll see them that they do brush, but they normally smell. Yani that.
But yesterday I was at the hospital. Alvin was sick. The reason being tonsils.
Tonsils. Now that's why I decided to.
The reason being
for
tonsils.
This thing. Yeah.
Nowadays kids have tonsils.
Yeah. So I went to this Chinese and I told him about it, and he told me before going to surgery,
is it
I
good
tried
for
this.
kids? Huh?
It's good for kids and grown-ups. Yeah, we can all use them.
All right. That's nice.
Direction of use: 3 drops in your mouth daily. 1.3 drops. 1.3. I think it's just
1 to 3 drops into your mouth.
Yeah, 1 to 3 drops into your mouth. 3 drops. 3 drops in your mouth.
Yani drop moja ama tatu per what? Per
This is number 1, number 2, number 3. We are confusing. Number 1, 3 drops in your mouth. Number 2, gargle for 15 to 30 minutes, to 30 seconds. 3, do not swallow and rinse your mouth. Benefits: sugar-free, alcohol-free, bulky and plant ingredients, all of that.
Yes.
But let us try it first, and then we are going to give you the feedback.
Yeah. So bye guys. See you on the other one. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, although it was a very short video. but I thought I should fix the thing with you and then show you how it looks on our tiny bathroom. This is how it is. Yeah. So without further ado, bye bye. See you on the other one. Bye.